What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to find and manage sound settings on Redmi Note 13R. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on sounds and vibration. Now in sounds and vibration, scroll down and click on additional settings and then scroll down, and here you will find the system sound buttons, and from here you can manage the sound settings. So you can turn on or turn off different types of sounds, for example tap sound. So if you will turn on this sound, and after turning on this sound, when I will tap on keys, it will make a sound. And you can turn on or off play sound when delete items, play sound when taking screenshot, and there are lot of more options. So that's how you can find and manage sound settings in Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.